It's just a toilet. Alright, don't touch. Don't touch. Alright, come on, let's do the women's.
Men's and women's.
Here's the women's.
This one
Oh, there is a smoke detector in the bathroom. That's pretty cool.
over there.
Yeah.
Megan did it.
I can stand it. What's a smoke detector? Yeah, and a sprinkler and some kind of floodlights. A changing station. Let's look at the sink. I'll flush one more time and then say bye YouTube. This is American Standard sink. It's manual. It's not automatic. You see? Just turn it on. It's an old manual soap.
Anyway.
Right.
No touch this. No touch this. Wait, no touch this.
That's a good flush. Say bye YouTube.
Bye bye, YouTube.